In this video, I'll be teaching you on how to set stop loss on your Charles Schwab application. So first, you need to access your Charles Schwab application or just simply visit their website and make sure to access your account by entering your correct credentials. And after that, you have to go under the trade section. Once you click on the trade section, just enter or find the symbol that you wanted to set the stop loss in. Once you click or check the symbol that you wanted to set a stop loss, now you should click or modify the action and quantity as well, whether you wanted to set a stop loss on a sell or buy section. After that, you have to toggle which one is your cost basis method for this stop loss order, whether it is on the first in first out or the last in first out, whether it is on the high or low cost, as well as the tax slot optimizer. After that, set the order type into limit or stop limit, and then also tender the amount that you wanted to stop the price on and limit price as well. Then, click the review order button. Once you click on that, click the continue, then click the continue again for the confirmation. And that's how you set stop loss on your Charles Schwab application. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe so you never miss a new video.